little candies. Today we are going to explore number 6. 6. Insects have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at this honeybee. It has 6 legs. Ladybug, housefly and grasshopper has also 6 legs. By these legs, they can move from one place to the other place. Wow! Here we have so many food items, but each item tastes differently. See here, there are 6 different types of taste which we feel by eating these food items, like lemon, which is in sour in taste, chocolate or cake, which is in sweet taste. Here garlic, chili, ginger, all are in pungent taste. And then bitter gourd, neem leaves are in bitter taste. And popcorns, which are salty. Pomegranate, astringent taste. Little candies, can you all say which taste you like most? Hope everyone likes sweet, but we need to eat in limited manner. We should not eat or consume more sugars. Rather, you can eat fruits and vegetables more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow! What a nice beautiful balloons which are shining and flying in the sky. You want to grab this balloon and play? No, not now. You can play later.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and learning with little candies.